Good morning. It is another beautiful day here in Playa Flamingo at Margaritaville Resort. We are up bright and early this morning because we are heading to Café Tío Leo and we're going to be doing a coffee tour there. So that's super exciting and we'll see you soon. This tour cost $45 per person, but the best part was that it was more than just a coffee tour. Yeah. Oh no.
Let's watch our hands. En serio. No, they could be black beans, cheese, chicken, beef, rice and beans, rice and chicken, or whatever sauce you want. So she's bringing me a tamale.
Oh, you're taking a video?
Yeah.
The bees are already pollinating all of these. Rambutan, you know rambutan?
Oh, like yes.
Yeah? Like lychees.
Yeah.
They are so good. So in 2 months they are going to be everywhere around the country. I'm the only one that is growing them under this. Another guava. And more cocoa. Hopefully the iguanas don't come a little. And that way they invented the milk chocolate bar, the way we know it nowadays. So this traditional method is the one is used to make chocolate the artisan way. It doesn't mean that all the chocolate that you see is done this way. No, it's all mechanical now. Okay? But still our indigenous women are using this.
So
See? Like that, see? Back and forth. Keep it, flies away because they love chocolate.
Okay.
kind of cool, although I'm not really crunching them down.
I mean, I didn't do a good job either.
Like I'm doing a very calm job.
I think it's quite hard work, huh?
Yeah. Like you gotta push it down.
No echarle el
It's
vestido
okay.
blanco.
It's very, I can feel the exfoliating.
Ahora sí, regálame la otra.
Anytime you do that, and when it's time to check the small roaster, and there's some that one. After that, just rinse it and keep it for 5 minutes and then rinse it.
Okay. Thank you.
Pon la mano así porque el vestido.
Yeah.
Wash your hands.
Oh, wash our heads. Okay.
Hi.
I think he had a bigger sugar cane than I did. Oh, good job.
A little bit more.
Thank you.
Overall, I really enjoyed this tour at Café Tío Leo. We got to make and eat our own empanadas. We made some traditional chocolate and got a chocolate scrub. We also took a tour of the facilities and learned all about the different trees that they had there and the leaves as well. Additionally, we got to squeeze our own sugarcane juice, which I'm sure you saw there, and then drink it with rum. So highly recommend if you are in Liberia to check this out.
Well, it's good someone's looking out for it.
I mean, it looks like my mom. I think.
After relaxing for a bit back at the hotel, David and I headed out to check out the marina area. We were hoping to grab some ice cream at this spot, but unfortunately it was closed, so we headed over to the convenience store nearby.
I found the Haagen-Dazs. I said I got the chocolates for you.
You want a picture in front of all the books?
Oh, fishy, fishy. Oh no. Oh, they disappeared. My camera is so out of focus.
Oh, there's another one down here, the puffy one.
Where? Oh! Hello, surfish.
See, that's what I saw scuba diving. But I don't actually know if that's a pufferfish.
I don't know either.
Next, we headed over to Amigos Tacos and Beer. Of course, we had to get a margarita, and we enjoyed them on these cute swing chairs.
3, go.
Finally, to end our day, we headed over to the beach and watched the sunset.